How to effectively use your Shopee coins. There are 5 rules you need to keep in mind. Welcome back. This video is about the 5 most important rules for your Shopee coins so you can get the most discount possible and not let them expire. Let's dive into rule number 1. Not everything is redeemable with Shopee coins. Items with preferred plus and more are redeemable. It will show up on the top left of the item, so make sure to check the status of the shop. Rule number 2 is the most complicated, but we are going to use an example. You can only redeem 25% of the item's price. In Malaysia, 1 coin equals to 1 cent. 100 coin means 1 ringgit discount. So if the item costs 5 ringgit, the most coins you can use is 125. With this in mind, you can calculate the amount of coins you need for the maximum discount. There is a video on how you can get free coins consistently in the description below. Rule number 3, know the daily and weekly limit. 3,000 is the most coins you can use in a day, and for a week, the limit is 15,000. Now what if you don't have that many coins? Don't worry, there is a way you can get more value out of a small amount of coins, which is rule number 4. Don't forget about the vouchers. Try changing your coins for vouchers. Keep in mind 100 coins equals to 1 ringgit discount, but the minimum discount on most vouchers are either 5 ringgit or 10%, and you can get it for only 100 coins. The downside is sometimes the things you want to buy may not have a voucher for it. Rule number 5, 3 months is the expiration date. You can use this duration to build up your coins. Doing so, it can also help you to save money because it gives you the time to truly think whether you need the item or not. There you have it, the 5 rules of Shopee coins. Understand it so you can have the most discount possible and not have your coins go to waste. Subscribe if you like this video, or better yet, comment down below on what are you spending your coins on.